Hello and welcome back to TT Systems. Today I'm going to be replacing the pull start on my weed whacker here, this little Echo GT-225. Let's see here, put the lighter down. This is the new one, no sticker though. Get the drill. So, what I'm going to do is going to prop this up on something, sort of. As you can see, that's just a bare block there. Gotta make sure I gotta fit this part too. Make sure it doesn't, it does fit. See, a little screw at the bottom. Maybe a quickie, probably. Let's see. Yep, that goes on there just right. Let me see. Prop the camera up on something here. Stand by. Here we go. Got the camera. Prop this up here so you can see here. There we go. Some old oily rags there. This rake. There we go. Gotta make sure this hole lines up with the hole on the gas tank there. Make sure these other two holes line up. Yeah. Hope they sent me the right part. I mean, it looks like it lines up there. It lines up top. The other screws. It didn't come with the hardware though, so I gotta reuse the old hardware. So, two-stroke oil. Yeah. Let's see here. There's also this little, yeah, that, okay. Let's see. Yep. Let me get the hardware and the bit out of the box here. Let me feed these in by hand. That one goes there. The right, what is this? Torx. This one's a Torx. They're all Torx bits. So if I can, no, I can't pinch to zoom on here, unfortunately. Try moving it closer. So we get a Torx bit right on the money. Using my Bauer 20-volt Harbor Freight Impact electric, of course. My dog says hello. Never mind, he's just walking by. Okay. So we'll get this on there. That's one. Get the other one there. Let me see how that cranks. Cool. Okay. Prime. Move this out of the way. Choke. Ooh, that's spinning scary fast, the end of it. Alright, that works good. One last screw up top there. Yeah, there's the old one. Spring came out and everything. But what happened was, see, this is the part, this is part of the part that grabs the flywheel there. This ripped off of the rope. So, in a futile attempt to repair, I accidentally let the spring out and I couldn't get it back in because it tied itself with a knot. So now, new spinny bit. It's spinning so fast. Alright. So, yeah. Works now. I probably whack some of those weeds down there and the rest of the grass there. So, yeah. What's the fuel like level on this? Feels like half a tank in there. So, yeah. Let's see how tiny that spark plug is. Probably going to be pretty small. It's just, I don't know how many cc's this is. Probably I don't know, about 225. That's not right. That's just the model. Yeah, actually, that's like a lawnmower spark plug in there. Yeah. Kind of like the one that's on my, on our old Toro. I also got another one, another mower that I'll show you in another video. But yeah, on, off, throttle. You can see it moves the little thing on the carby there. There's a cable attached to it. Turn on the flash. There we go. See the cable there? That's all connected to the linkage here. So, yeah. Glad it's all worked out. Bits of the old one. I could probably take the sticker off of this one and put it on that one, because that one does not have decal. Damn, it's cold enough out here I can see my breath. I don't even feel like it. It's probably just humid. I don't know. But, yeah, that's the old one. Part of it. Yeah, let's hope this one doesn't break off the next time I try starting it. Because, you know, it would be quite a disappointment. I just spent $30 for nothing. So anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.